What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Guys, I'm back with another video and an update on Kaylan Dowdie. Yes, that's the 17-year-old teenager who was brutally beaten by 6 women at a party. And our hearts are still aching, and we are still praying for a full recovery of Kaylan. But there has been some very disturbing news. Yes, the mother has reported that there are some really unscrupulous people who just wicked and dishonest and thief. They have been trying to exploit the illness of Kaylan by making up fake GoFundMe pages to get money. God have mercy on those people. Yeah, she made a plea to people to just desist. According to a report, the mother of 17-year-old Kaylan Dowdie, who was beaten at a party, is now speaking out against scammers who are trying to use the teenager's name to make money. My God, how people wicked and thieves and dishonest, man. According to Kaylan's mother, she recently woke up to people telling her that there are some people operating fake GoFundMe page and benefiting from her daughter's situation. The distressed mother said that she did her investigation and found a page owned by a Simon McAuliffe, who she is going to report to the fraud squad. Anyway, at the time when I was doing this report, that it was, but I've seen an update since where she reported that the page was reported and it was taken down. Thank God for that. She further stated that the legitimate support is important at this time as Kaylan battles for her life. According to Kaylan's mother, the teen has a blood clot under her arm, which doctors are working on to prevent from reaching her lungs. So it is really a tough time for the family. She also stated that the real support has been pouring in from all around, and even children are sending their best wishes. So, Simon McAuliffe, just back off now and give Kaylan a chance to live, no, man. My God, man.
Good morning, Facebook. Me not even wash my face yet, for sure now. I've not even washed my face as yet. I just wake up from about 5 really, and wake up from about 5 o'clock. First thing I'm addressing is a fake GoFundMe page by Simon McAuliffe. Simon, I'm reporting it to the fraud squad ASAP. People, there's only one GoFundMe page, and that page is managed by and organized by my sister, my blood sister, Kaylan's aunt, Angela May Kelly. That is the only GoFundMe page. Do not support any other GoFundMe. If I did not say support the page, don't support it. If you don't see me say I gave permission for any fundraising, that means I did not give any permission for any fundraising. Any fundraising that is being done for Kaylan has to be approved by me, because I am the one who is going to have to speak to the bank and the police when time the problem comes. Please. Don't want anybody trying to reap anything off of Kaylan. Kaylan's journey has just begun, and the bills them is very expensive. People, do not make any fake pages on behalf of me, my family, or Kaylan Dowdie. We are not standing for it. Whatever the little page where we have, whatever we can raise on it, I am grateful and I am thankful for it. Because remember, we don't give anybody anything to put down. It's just an unfortunate circumstances which what we have, and the bills are overwhelming. Kaylan's recovery will cost a lot. Kaylan is still in a coma. Kaylan is still unconscious. Kaylan is still on life support. Her BP is still dropping, still not maintaining her BP on her own. Right? I don't want, right now we have to be the doctors are fighting for her. She has a blood clot in the left arm that they're trying to get under control before it goes to the lungs. You understand? It's a lot. Yesterday when I went to the hospital, she was looking so droopy. I even had to ask them if she was on any sedative. And they said, no, she's not on any sedatives. Please do not make fake pages. This is a life and death situation. My child life hanging in the balance. Me no need nobody to try and ruin it. Right? People don't need to be mindful and be, oh my man, come on man, people, come on man. You're that heartless? You people are that heartless? That's not going to make it. And I see people starting to support it because everybody is rallying around and trying to do their best to help Kaylan. And me appreciate it. Me glad for know say me not alone in that fight here. I'm glad to know that I'm not alone because the mothers have been reaching out, the fathers have been reaching out, everybody has been reaching out. Even children have been reaching out. And you people gonna make a fake page? Simon McAuliffe, your page is fake. Fake page. I did not give such permission. Not even open my eye this morning when somebody sent it to me. I said, if this is right. I said, no. It's a fake page. Fake fundraiser. Nobody should click on it. Angela May Kelly organizing Kaylan's GoFundMe. Tammy Faye is doing a fundraiser for Kaylan as well on Facebook, who is associated with Auntie Donna. Those are the pages you should be going to. If you don't see me on video giving permission, then it is not true. If you don't see me making any reports and updates, it is not true. I said this day before yesterday, so I'm even shocked that people actually went ahead and started donating to that fake page. Come on, people. Kaylan need prayers. Kaylan, we need to pray for Kaylan lungs, so Kaylan can start breathing on her own. That's what's holding up the MRI right now, right? We need Kaylan to start breathing. As for the fake GoFundMe page, I want you all to report it. If you see it as you see it, report it. As soon as you catch sight of it, report it. Only GoFundMe, only one. And that's why we decided that we don't want another one, because we don't want any confusion. It's better when we reach our money, we push it up and try to get a little more for her, because you know the care going to take a lot, than to have 2 or 3 GoFundMe pages and confuse the public. And then other fake pages start popping up and we don't know who they belong to, where they're from, where they're going. Right? So that is it. Kaylan needs prayers more than even money right now. Prayers. We need to pray for her lung. I'm going into fasting and prayer for these lungs because they need to start working. Mighty God. Why people trying to message me at the same time while I'm doing the live? I don't know me no phone person. I don't understand this phone thing, because it's just since all of this started, I did my first live. I don't know. You understand? People, please do not make any more fake pages. It will let people pull back and not want to support. And she need the support. I just I beg on this one little time for just ease off of the scamming. For once. See, my face not even wash. Cause me I say no, we have to put a stop to this fakeness and this scamming business where them are going with. Right? Please stop it. All of the people will reach out. Everybody that has reached out to Kaylan so far, I appreciate you guys. I thank you. I know we are all going through a difficult time, and trust me, the support is overwhelming. The support is overwhelming, and I thank you. I appreciate even the little pitty them when I call me and I say, Mommy, we're praying for Kaylan, you know. I appreciate to know. I appreciate to know. So just please, no make no more fake page. No try and take from the little where she get. Because people might see it and think it's a lot, but it not reach nowhere. It is nowhere. It's just a drop in the bucket at the moment. But we are thankful. We are thankful. We are thankful. When Kaylan wake up, I'm making sure that I save the lives. I didn't save the first one because I didn't know that I could. I never understand it. But after I was told how to save it, and I'm saving all the lives. So she can play them. It's just sudden that people can take advantage of a situation as serious as this. You understand? It's just sad that people can. I wasn't going to do a live until later when I leave the hospital. But the fact that I see this page and I know how fast you guys are responding, I just want to shut it down immediately. Right? Immediately. Yes, thank you guys. I'm trusting on God. I see you guys. Chanel Upset, I see you. Tammy Faye, hi Tammy. I love you, darling. I love and appreciate you. Maxine Fagan, I see you. Shamoy White, yeah man, me I try. Nicole Support, I'm trying. Cy Paris, I see you guys. Sheens Wellington, Tamara Brown, you girl, I love you. Tamara has been a support. Trust me, she call me every day. I love you guys. Camille Taylor, you know you're my baby from day one. You know, don't make fake pages. And people, once you see a page that is not organized by Angela May Kelly, flag it immediately. Immediately. Any page that you don't see me supporting, personally me giving permission and saying go support that page, don't support it. Once you see me involved, don't support it. You understand? But guys, I want to call down heaven for Kaylan. Call down heaven, bring heaven on earth for Kaylan. Her lungs, we need to pray for the lungs. The lungs need to come in. The lungs are hampering a lot of things for her progress. It's a hamper. A lot of progress that could have been made. Lots of things that she could have already been doing if she had only been at least breathing a little bit on her own. The machine is doing everything. She's not breathing any at all on her own. And that is the main concern right now. I'm not concerned about nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else matters. Nothing else matters at the moment. It's just Kaylan right now for me. I don't want to hear about no police, no gal, no bad man, no nothing. Just Kaylan. We want to stay focused because all those things are just distractions to keep us from praying, from calling on God. That's their only distractions. Book, right? Kaylan prayer support on Facebook. You know, everybody asking how I'm doing. It's rough. I'm not lie. It's rough. It's rough. It's rough. It's rough to know that every time I go into the hospital, like, she can't talk to me. She can open the eyes. She can't focus to look at me. She can't say anything. Sometimes she should make a little facial expression as if she want to say. She's trying to communicate. But it's not a good feeling to see the child that you grow and you know you go your picnic good and you try to make them stay out of problems and people way, and then, you know, to see them being wronged, and then you can't do anything about it. You understand? But you know, God is in the vessel. God is in the vessel. And a lot of people are saying that Kaylan brought them closer to God. And a lot of people are saying that who have never prayed before are praying now. So, you know, God said to me, the world needs to pray. And I delivered. Because all I did was one live in regards to Kaylan. And Kaylan, not me. Kaylan got the world to pray. Who could it be but God? Who could it be but the Lord? So I know say him are going to restore her, because on her prayers not going answered. Just the faith of a mustard seed. Kaylan shall live. She shall live. She shall be a testimony. She go sing one whole heap of song. One go sing and dance to and sing up praises. She go be a walking testimony. Kaylan will be a walking testimony. She gonna be a miracle. She changing the world. Kaylan is changing the world. Teaching us that love still exists. Care, compassion still exists. So your sister is just a few that are cause the problem in this world now. Because if the entire world may get called from Anguilla, I don't even know where Anguilla is, you know. Brazil, Germany. Kaylan never laugh after me when she said this to me. I just put a smile on my face this morning. She gonna laugh after me, and she gonna say, no, mommy, if you do better. She always say, you're a real phone idiot, you know. Kaylan always call me phone idiot, because everything to do with the phone and the TV. If me want change, if me can't even find nothing on the smart TV, say, Kaylan, me have to call. She always I say, no man, where you have phone for? You buy TV and you don't even know if you use TV. Where you buy TV for? Oh God, if I the computer, me have to call Kaylan. If I the TV, me have to call Kaylan. Oh my God. If you don't even know me, Mr. Pickney, right now in the house, yeah. You don't even know. Kaylan, I miss Kaylan in this house. Kaylan a problem in the house, yeah. Me in my bed, Kaylan that come in the bed now, come cock up her foot all in my face. All in my face, Kaylan foot that day. She just dive pan my bed and dive pan top of me. Kaylan just, I saw she stay. She just run and chuck pan the bed and chuck pan top of me. Her foot in my face. Kaylan push up her big toe in my nose. I saw she push her big toe in my nose and make trouble. That is Kaylan. That is Kaylan. Trust me. My two picnic them different and unique. Kaylan will eat tin mackerel. Kaylan not eat bully beef. Cheyenne love bully beef. Cheyenne no want tin mackerel. So every time me I cook is a battle in this house. Every time. Kaylan love pork. Cheyenne no eat pork. So, me always have to cook two meat. Because I like pork. And Kaylan love pork. Kaylan is a porky. Yes, she love pork. She's a porkhead. She love jerk pork. She love pot roast pork. She love it so much that she learned to cook it. That is Kaylan. That is Kaylan. Kaylan love a piece of pork. Kaylan hide all the pork. Kaylan share out the pork, put and hide all in the bottom of the fridge for nobody not get it. She know why you eat it off. That is Kaylan. And just mention the name seafood. Oh my God. It's God that give me strength, Chanel. Chanel upset her. God that give me God and you guys, because trust me, you know my strength. When me see the love, the overwhelming love, right? Where that you all, you know, people just calling me all hours of the night and saying, how Shy, I had to send Shy to her grandmother because she was crying too much. And then, you know, when she cried, break me too. So I just sent her to her grandmother. And then, you know, I want her to try and she have school Cheyenne has school and I want her to focus on her work, her schoolwork. So I took her out of the environment so that she can focus and be able to do what she's supposed to do. Her grandmother is a great grandmother. So Cheyenne is all right so far now. On the MRI, because she had a little relapse, they said they can't move her. She's deemed unstable at the moment. Yes, we're trying to expedite the MRI, but she's unstable. They say that if they move her, the chances of her crashing, they won't be able to help her sufficiently enough to save her. So really and truly, it's just Kaylan we're waiting on to do what we need to do. So that is why I ask, say, she need to can breathe a little bit. If I'm just a little on her own, so even if they're moving her from bed to bed and she's not on the ventilator, she can sustain herself for just even a few minutes, or you understand? She needs to be able to sustain herself breathing on her own for a little bit, and then we can do all that we need to do. Because you guys are showing up, and God is showing up. God is showing up. Everybody's saying that I'm strong, but well, I guess I am, because God gave me the strength. I prayed for strength because I needed it. Because crying won't get the job done. I need to be able to move about, need to be able to run up and down and get to everything what she needs to get done. And I can't do that if I don't have the strength, right? Can't do that if I don't have the strength to do it, right? She's 9. She's 9. Or yes, she's 9. Cheyenne is 9. Cheyenne is 9. Right, she's young, and she although she and Kaylan can agree, but they love each other unconditionally. If you trust me, you can't mess with Cheyenne. But Kaylan no want Cheyenne on her bed. She no want Cheyenne near her stuff. And vice versa. Them always at it. Sometimes I just tell them, say, look here, I don't have any children. Mommy, they say, don't call me name. I don't know no. I don't know no. Right? Enough time I disown them and tell them, say, don't call me. And sometimes I just walk out of the house when me hear them start. But people, again, that GoFundMe page that is being circulated by Simon McAuliffe or McAuliffe. It's a fake page. It's a fake page. Do not support it. Right? Do not support that page. It's fake. They're trying to take away Kaylan's little blessing, the little that is supposed to go towards her care. This song, it came to me when I was one of my lowest points in life. And, every time, even Cheyenne keep asking me since this happened to Kaylan, she keeps saying, Mommy, sing that song for me now. Sing that song for me. My voice is not up to scratch right now because I'm hoarse, but you guys can bear with that. The voice is not important. It's more the words. Don't let nobody steal your joy. I said don't let nobody steal your joy. Don't let nobody steal your joy. I said don't let nobody steal your joy. You are blessed and highly favored. You are blessed and highly favored. You are blessed and highly favored. So don't let nobody steal your joy. I said don't let nobody steal your joy. Jesus loves you just the way you are. Let He loves you, no matter who you are. God loves you just the way you are, so don't let nobody steal your joy. I said don't let nobody steal your joy.
So guys, if you don't see any other fake page, just report it, because Kaylan deserves a fair chance at life. Justice for Kaylan, and that's how we do. So no ease off of the fake page, man, and go find something else to do, no man. Ah boy, get well soon, Kaylan. We're behind you 100% in our prayers. God bless you, baby girl.